Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you're all well, and today we are going to do another unboxing. Super excited, and there is 6 types. So there's 6 types to collect. I really want cinnamon. Oh, Hello Kitty. Oh, I don't know. There are too many options. Nice though. So I'm going to unbox now. Oh, there's the card. I'm not going to look at it. See, tilted it away. Not looking. Oh, this feels like cinnamon. It feels like cinnamon. Right, shall I flip it? Shall I open it this way? Or shall I flip it? 3, 2, 1. Oh, well that was a terrible pull. 3, 2, 1. I can't see. Right, I'm going to flip it. You're having first dibs. Oh my god. Oh, it's cinnamon. Oh my god. It's so weighty as well. So cute. Oh my god. It comes with a little stand. Oh my god. So adorable. I accidentally dropped this in the shop by mistake. Yeah, so when I was in the shop, I accidentally dropped a few of the boxes, and I thought, oh great, I broke it. Yeah, I didn't. There's the little stand, which is super cute. Where's the box? The box, there we go, shows it, and obviously you all seen it that way, and then I've just took it out of the box now. That is so cute. Cinnamon roll, I'm so happy. Right, that's another one to the collection. But let me know if you want to see more videos like this, or you want me to see if I can get any of the others, because now I've got cinnamon. I do like, oh, this is a hard decision. I think I probably want either Poca Cha or I can't pronounce these names, so sorry, but either him or him. But let's just say I probably want all of them, but you know. Right, so that goes. Oh, how does. I'll be back in a sec. There she is. Super cute. So let me know if you want to see any more videos of me unboxing anything, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!